All right, so now we're going to try another combination to make the number 4. And the last one we did was 3 plus 1 equals 4, so we're just going to switch the parts around. Now we're going to do 1 plus 3 equals 4. So I want you to try that at home. And as you know from the last couple of examples that we've done, when we just switch the parts around, we still are going to end up with the same whole number. So bring them all together at the top, and we had 1 plus 3 now equals 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 plus 3 equals 4. Go ahead and write that. One plus 3 equals 4. Okay. Let's try another combination. So we have all 4. Let's break them, put them. So now let's try half in this part and half in that part. Okay, so now we have 2 new parts. So we're going to be looking at 4 in a different way. So we have 2 and 2 is 4. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Let's walk them along the path. And when we bring them all together, we have 4. So our number sentence is 2 plus 2 equals 4. Let's count to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's exactly right. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Let's go ahead and write it. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Okay, let's do one more combination here. And if you think back to the other ones that we have done, the other examples, when we worked with 2 and 3, if you look back on your number sentences, you will notice that we had a time where one of our parts was 0. So we're going to try that with the number 4 now. We're going to make one part with all of the pieces or all of the objects, and then one part is going to have none. And remember, we can do that in 2 different ways. So we can start out with 4 plus 0 equals 4. 4 plus 0 equals 4. Let's and we have none to move up from here. So we have 4 plus 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 equals 4. Let's go ahead and write that. 4 plus 0 equals 4. That's our number sentence. 4 plus 0 equals 4. So now I'm sure you know what Mrs. Achari is going to have you do next. Now we're just going to switch it around. Now we're going to take our 4 and we're going to put them down here and make that one part, and then here's our other part. So now instead of it being 4 plus 0, now it's 0 plus 4 equals 4. 0 plus 4 equals 4. Let's move all of our parts up. We have none here, 0, and then we have so we have 0 plus 4 equals 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go ahead and write that number sentence. 0 plus 4 equals 4. 0 plus 4 equals 4. All right. So that, my friends, is how you use a number bond to show addition. Today what we did was we looked at different ways to make the number 2, different ways to make the number 3, and different ways to make the number 4. And we wrote this addition and sentences to go with that. Tomorrow we will move on to a different number. And if you want to keep working on this at home, you now have the tools to do that. So you could try some other numbers and write some other addition sentences. And if you want to wait for me till tomorrow, I will see you then. You have a lovely afternoon.